Hi folks, pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson here. Welcome to Get Your Sax Together. I recently did a session for an advert for a commercial for a shampoo called Herbal Essences, and on that advert I did this particular trill which I like to do. It's a bit of a stunt trill. I haven't seen anybody else do it, but I thought I would share it with you guys. So just a fairly short video today showing you a little trick which I've learned how to do trills, reaching over with your right hand onto the left hand keys. Now you can hear it on this Herbal Essences advert which I recorded recently. So here's the advert. And the trill is coming up now. So I've got two variations of this little trick that I often use. The first one is the one you heard in the advert, and that is trilling high E to high G. And the other one is trilling from octave A to octave C. So let's do the first one that you heard on the advert first. Now what you do is you'd finger a normal G and you're going to add the front F key, this one here. Now instead of trilling like this, using these two fingers in your left hand, going to take my right hand and reach it over, and I'm going to play what would normally be the G and the A, G and the A keys there, and I'm just going to trill them like that whilst holding down the front F and the B key. It's sometimes a bit fiddly getting your right hand in the correct position because it's not used to that, but you would find those keys and it sounds like this. Now the second variation of this trick that I often use is just to trill from A to C. Now what you do is you take off your first finger and you bring your right hand over and you would trill that front B key like this to trill from A to C, and that would sound something like this. So the advantage of doing this is you can trill so fast that it sounds completely different than the speed you'd normally be able to trill and the effect you'd normally get using your left hand. Of course, it takes a bit of practice getting used to getting the hand over there, especially for the E to G one. But it's a nice trick, it's a nice effect. Have a little practice, see if you can work it out for yourselves, and then let me know how you get on in the comments. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, how to do my little stunt trill. If you're in the UK or Europe, don't forget to look out for that Herbal Essences ad. If you're enjoying the stuff, please do subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Click that little thumbs up, like button, comment down below, make all that love come true for me. And I'll see you next time on Get Your Sax Together. On tenor. Now, oh, you're kidding me.